Let us begin. My आवाज येतोय ना? First, let us discuss solving trigonometric equations. The examples will be of this kind. Find all values of theta. Such that cos theta is equal to k, where k is real number. Find all values of theta such that cos theta is equal to k. What do we mean by this? I mean, this is an equation given to you. Theta is unknown, and cos ratio of that unknown theta is some value which is real number. That is true. Yes. So now we have drawn graphs yesterday. Sin theta, cos theta graphs we have drawn. So what is our observation? For every value of theta, belonging to R, what was the maximum value of sin theta that we have achieved? 1. So the graph was maximum going up to 1. Beyond 1 we cannot go. What was the minimum value of sin theta that we got? So sin theta will always be greater than -1 and will always be less than 1. Cos theta, we also observe that this will also follow exactly the same. So if we end up, suppose somebody gives you the equation cos theta is equal to 5, solve, then we will not be able to get any value of theta which will give us its cos ratio equal to 5, because cos theta maximum available is 1. Maximum available cos theta is 1. Therefore, first thing that we need to write, once suppose somebody gives you this equation, then as a solution we need to write, if k is greater than, or mod k is greater than 1, mod k means negative sign, negative values are also taken care. So mod k is greater than 1, no solution. If mod k is less than or equal to 1, then we are supposed to solve. So the moment you get a general solution, general question like cos theta is equal to k and k is real number, then for any real number we will not be able to solve this equation. This, of course, solve means solution set will be empty. There will not be any values of theta which will satisfy that equation in case k is greater than 1 or less than -1. But in case k is between -1 to 1, we may find out some values of theta for which this equation is satisfied. Okay. So say for example, if I give you cos theta is equal to half, then we should be able to write down all possible values of theta which will give us cos theta equal to half. That is what solving trigonometric equation. Solving trigonometric equation is finding different values of theta which will satisfy given equation. Okay. So maybe let us first solve cos theta is equal to half. So can you give me solution set? Can you write down? So can we write down solution set? Can we write down solution set of this? So suppose a question is given like this, and option A, option B, option C, option D. Which one are you going to pick up?
All the 6 give answer.
So you write down your solution. If cos theta is half, then what is the solution set? So let us write down what. So what is the diagram for this? The diagram for this is unit circle. Cos means value of x. This is 1, 1 comma 0. This is half comma 0. And we want value of cos theta to be half. X coordinate should be half. And therefore now the procedure is reversed. Now we want cos theta is equal to half. Therefore what we will do is we will draw perpendicular to x axis passing through half. Wherever this perpendicular intersects unit circle, those are the terminal rays which will give us value equal to half. These are the two terminal rays which will give us value of cos theta is equal to half. So we are interested in this theta, and maybe we are not interested in this value of theta, but we get it. So if we are asked to solve cos theta is equal to half, then we are supposed to report all values of theta which will have this terminal ray as their final position, and also all those values of theta which will have this terminal ray as their final position. And we should be able to write them as set builder form, because there are infinitely many solutions. For a different value of n, or for a different value of whatever integer that you take, every time this position will be achieved, and hence there will be infinitely many, and we should write it in terms of set builder form. So tell me, what is solution set of cos theta is equal to half? So we know it is 60 degrees. So first answer is 60 degree, which is pi by 3. Pi by 3 is the answer. So maybe if we cannot directly write, what we should do is pi by 3 is the answer. 2 pi plus pi by 3 is the answer. 4 pi plus pi by 3 is the answer. Like that. So one set is n 2 pi, 2n pi plus pi by 3. 2n pi plus pi by 3. These are the answers when you have your terminal ray position in first quadrant. What are the other answers? Minus pi by 3, comma 2 pi minus pi by 3, comma 4 pi minus pi by 3, comma all these values also will give you cos theta is equal to half. Correct? So how do we write them? Do we have any method? 2 pi n plus or minus pi by 3 will take care of everything. So therefore this is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n belongs to integers. This is the solution set. If you are asked to solve this problem, your solution set looks like this. And now suppose in general if I say cos theta is equal to k and k mod k is less than 1, then what are we supposed to write? If cos theta is equal to k and mod k is less than or equal to 1, then what we are supposed to write is as follows. Let cos theta naught is equal to k. Let me have any value of theta naught which will give me cos theta naught is equal to k, where in this case it is pi by 3. It was simple. But suppose some odd value of k is given to you which is not a good angle. So we will say there will exist an angle. We know the procedure of finding out that angle. Take that k value over here or here, whatever, depending upon, it will be between minus 1 to 1. Therefore you take that point on x-axis, draw line parallel to y-axis, wherever it intersects unit circle, draw those two rays, let one of the rays has measure equal to theta naught, so cos theta naught is equal to k, and therefore the solution set will be equal to 2n pi plus or minus theta naught, where n belongs to z. So this is general solution of cos theta is equal to k. सगळ्यांना समजलंय? This diagram is important. So whenever you are solving trigonometric equation, this diagram you must get in front of you and then solve. Okay? So we have done with cos theta is equal to k. So now finally, now after these three types of trigonometric ratios, cos theta, tan theta and sin theta, I will give you equations which if you solve, you will end up getting something like this. And there we are supposed to report these solution sets. We will take that example at that time, I will explain you. Now second, find all values of theta such that tan theta is equal to k. Tan theta is equal to k, where k is real number. Now you try to write down your own solution set, make a diagram, try to guess what will be the answers, is there any condition on k, and for that we require those graphs that we have drawn yesterday. General question, it is a special example for that. It is an example.
So means we have to find for other values.
No, I mean that value will be given to you and you have to find it. Okay, so what are we trying to do here is, say for example using graphs, yesterday we plotted, this was the graph for tan, this was pi by 2 and this was minus pi by 2, something like this. Okay, so when we are solving this equation, what are we trying to do? We have been given k value, that is tan theta value. So suppose tan theta value is this, that is y axis. Value of the function is given to us, that is k. So tan theta is equal to k. So this is the point, suppose k is. Then we are supposed to back calculate what is the theta. That is solving trigonometric equation. So what are we supposed to do if we want to solve this equation graphically? We draw a horizontal line. At that point, every point on this graph paper on this horizontal line will give me y coordinate equal to k, right? And now we are solving for theta, tan theta is equal to k. Therefore, I am supposed to look at tan theta curves. Wherever these curves will intersect this horizontal line, those points are important to us and their x coordinate is my value of theta, because we plotted theta versus tan theta. So this is one solution. This will be another solution. This will be third solution, something like this. So we are trying to figure out what are these points on x-axis. If we put their value back into those equations in place of theta, we get answer equal to k. That is what we are doing. Solving trigonometric equation means the answer is given to you, the value of trigonometric ratio is given to you. Now you are trying to find out x, theta. Okay, so graphically this is going to be the solution. Therefore these graphs are important. All the three basic graphs must be there, which will give us idea of whether we are solving trigonometric equation correctly or not. Then every time we need not have to do it graphically. We know tan theta achieves values. Now this goes to minus infinity, this goes to plus infinity, and all angles between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 will give us all values between minus infinity to plus infinity, because of this one curve that we have drawn. There will be values between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Those values of theta also will provide us one more set of values of tan theta between minus infinity to plus infinity, and so on. There will be infinitely many like that. So if we are working between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, then we can find out the principal value of that theta. If the angle is between 0 to 2 pi, that is first rotation, it is called principal value of that angle, because that is what is important to us. And then after rotation, again those values are other values of theta. So we will be interested in finding out principal value. Suppose now I give you tan theta is equal to 1 as a special case. Then we know tan theta is 1, that means between minus pi by 2, that is minus 90 to plus 90, what is the value of theta which will give me value of tan theta equal to 1? 45, pi by 4, 45 degree will give me. So that will be somewhere here, 45 degree. This value is going to be 1, 45 degree. If I take one point over here, draw horizontal line, suppose this is my 1, draw horizontal line, go down, this is my pi by 4, something like that. Will few more values also will give me tan theta equal to 1? Yes, take another graph, next cycle, this will give you, third, fourth, there are infinitely many cycles like this everywhere. So therefore now I am supposed to find out, and how have we drawn these graphs? As far as tan is concerned, we said this is tangent. This was unit circle. Therefore, this is 1. This is 1. Height is 1. Okay? And then take that point as 1, which is tan theta, and draw terminal ray passing through that point. This angle is important. We know that it is 45. Now, for which other values of theta also we will get 1? Maybe this terminal ray also give me value of theta is equal to 1. Maybe this will give me same. Maybe this will give me the same. Maybe this will give me the same. Something like that. So basically what are we saying? If suppose this is 45, then this is also 45 from year to year, from year to year. But then how much it is total? This is 45, this is 45, but then if I am considering this ray, it is 180 plus 45. Pi plus pi by 4. Okay. So all values of theta, suppose here theta naught is equal to pi by 4. Then pi by 4 will give me that value. 2 pi plus pi by 4 also will give me that value. 4 pi plus pi by 4 also will give me that value. But in that case, the terminal ray is here. Which other value of terminal ray will also give me tan theta equal to 1? 135. 2 pi plus 135. 4 pi plus 135. Arey, samajhte hai ka? All those values also. So therefore, the solution set will be, in this case, solution set is equal to n pi plus theta naught or pi by 4, where n belongs to z. Will it take care of every value that we discussed? If n is equal to 0, pi by 4, giving me that value. If n is equal to 1, pi plus pi by 4 gives me that value. If n is equal to 2, 2 pi plus pi by 4 gives me that value. N is equal to minus 1, pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4, will it give me that same value? Sorry, not pi minus pi by 4, minus pi plus pi by 4. Minus pi plus pi by 4 will it give me the same value? Minus pi plus pi by 4. So minus pi is from year to year, plus pi by 4. Anticlockwise is positive. So minus pi, that means you go from year to year and add 45 to that. That means come from there to here, this terminal. So solution set for tan theta is equal to k, general solution set. So solution set for tan theta is equal to k is n pi plus theta naught, where n belongs to z. And you must write tan theta naught is equal to k. Now these solution sets we are understanding how to find out, but you cannot afford to spend time while solving problem. Therefore, for cos, for tan and for sin, we must remember this. The moment finally you get cos theta is equal to something, you should be, next moment you should be able to write down this general solution set. the moment you get tan theta is equal to something, the next moment you should be able to write that this is general solution set. We cannot afford to spend so much time while solving every problem. So these are the, it is fine that we are understanding how to go about it. In case if we forget, we can retrieve because we know how to find it out, but it is advisable to remember them. Now, yes.
So that solution set is valid only for tan theta is equal to 1.
Correct.
And that solution set for general tan.
For general K, yes.
Then from here, how did we reach there?
Because this is done for our understanding. If it is 1, then this is terminal ray. If it is K, then we need to plot that K here. This is K. Draw this. We call this angle theta naught. We don't know what that is actually. So every question will have K different. Therefore, we cannot solve numerical values for different numerical values. We have to solve for general value of K.
And here theta naught corresponds to pi by 4.
Theta naught is equal to pi by 4 if tan theta is equal to 1. So these are the two, and of course the third one is sine. So find all values of theta such that sine theta is equal to K So now you try, because this is the third and it's supposed to be the most difficult to express in general form. Therefore it is given third, otherwise sine should have been first, cos should have been second, and tan should have been third, but sine is supposed to be a bit difficult to understand. So now try whether you can do it. So can we draw the diagram? When will the sine value चालू राहून दे, सगळं कव्हर होतंय. मग तुम्ही थांबणारच नाहीये. फोन आलाय तेवढा घेऊन या. What will be the general diagram? Suppose a specific value, if you take root 3 by 2 for example, or half, sine theta is equal to half, then what will happen? Maybe you will get idea by looking at your graph which values of theta is giving you sine theta is equal to half. Maybe if the graph is drawn properly, we will get the solutions from there also. नाही रे, ते किंवा ते का वेगवेगळे दिसते. तुझं काय सोल्युशन सेट करू? नाही, बरोबर नाही. काय 2n plus 1 by 3. नाही रे, बहुतेक तरी सुद्धा चुकलाच आहे. थोडासा चुकलाच आहे तरी सुद्धा. करेक्ट. तरी चुकला तुझा, पण थोडा चुकलाच आहे, थोडासा चुकला. करा, नीट करा. Okay, let us look at what is the diagram that we are looking at. Suppose this is unit circle, and suppose some value is given. This is k value. So what we are supposed to do is draw horizontal line at that k value and look at y-axis. That means this is the sine, and then this is my terminal ray, this is theta naught. So principal value of theta naught is this terminal ray, fine. But because for the some other angle also the sine value will be k, what about that terminal ray? That is this terminal ray. Also will have value, sine theta will be equal to k. And then this theta naught is one solution, and this angle from this is theta naught, and then this angle is another solution, which is pi minus theta naught, because this per se this angle is theta naught and we are supposed to subtract it from pi. So pi minus theta naught is another solution, and then these are the two solutions for principal value, one rotation, and then you keep adding 2 pi plus this, 2 pi plus that, 2 pi plus this, 2 pi plus that will give you additional solutions. Alright, do you understand it? How to represent it in set builder form is another challenge. We will do that. But understanding is important. Okay? So now, therefore, in this diagram itself, once my theta naught is positive, which I am adding it to 0, second time my theta naught is negative, which I am subtracting from pi. Okay? So this theta naught is going to change its sign. If n is even, I want sign positive. If n is odd, I want sign negative. Let us write down. So solution set is equal to -1 raised to n times theta naught plus n pi, where n belongs to z. Now let us understand. Suppose n is 0. What is -1 raised to 0? 1. Therefore, this n pi will be 0 and answer will be theta naught. That is what is this answer that we got. Suppose n is 1. Then pi minus theta naught. That answer also we want. Suppose n is equal to 2. 2 pi. That means positive x-axis. So n is 2. So this is positive, even. -1 raised to 2 is +1. Theta naught. At that time also we want positive theta naught. Suppose n is equal to 3. That means we are talking about this ray. N is odd. Therefore 3 pi minus theta naught. That means this terminal ray. Are we done? So this is the solution set for sine theta is equal to k. And of course, first step what we need to write? If mod k is greater than 1, no solution. If mod k is less than or equal to 1, then solution set is this. This is a complete correct solution set for sine theta. So cos theta 2n pi plus minus theta naught. Tan theta n pi plus theta naught. Sin theta minus 1 raised to n theta naught plus n pi. These are the three things we must remember. समझ ले? Okay. So let us solve numerical. Take down. Find all values of theta belonging to R such that. Find all values of theta belonging to R such that two cos square theta minus 3 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta is equal to 0. Now this is simple. We know how to solve quadratic equation, and therefore this is degree 2 equation, but here the variable is not x, variable is trigonometric ratio, and we should solve it for trigonometric ratio. Eventually we should find out all values of theta which will satisfy this equation. So we are in the business of solving trigonometric equation. Yes, let us solve. Now it is a little tricky to solve trigonometric equations. I mean, there are many ways of doing the same thing. However, the final answers are unique. I mean, they are not different answers because of different methods. Answers should be the same. I will explain you what are the precautions that we need to take. However, very important that when we are solving any equation, in the process, if we square that equation, both sides, for solving purpose, and then you are getting the answers, then because of squaring, you are adding unnecessarily some roots in the given equation, which may not be the solutions of the given equation. Because finally the solution set that you will get should satisfy this, because that is what we are searching for. And if you get something extra which is not satisfying that, then those are wrong answers. Total answers that you have got, there will be few which will satisfy this. So there will be few answers which will be correct. But if we are reporting it as a solution set of this equation, then the extra answers that you are reporting, which you got because of your calculations, but by squaring in between, those answers may not be true for given solution. And it is true for any equation. I mean, it is not only true for trigonometric equation, it is true for any equation. And therefore we need to be very careful while it's squaring, or if we cannot solve without squaring, you finally have to check the solution set, whether the solution set satisfies the given equation or not, and then delete those solutions which don't satisfy. Understood? But in this case we don't require to square, because if we get into tan. Yes. So now let me tell you, I mean, I will solve only three problems in the class, and you will have to solve hundreds of problems at home from different books. But these 3 problems will tell you all the precautions that need to be taken, all the answers, correct answer, how to report all the correct answers without any mistake. So now, because sin cos term is available here, I cannot go really into sin or cos independently unless I do some squaring, unless I do some completing square or something like that, or maybe squaring, etc. When I square this term, I will get sin square and cos square, and then maybe I can get into cos square, cos and sin. But as far as possible, I would like to avoid squaring, because I will have to spend time after I get the solution for deleting the unwanted solutions. So my efforts will be towards solving it otherwise, and hence if I cannot get into sin, purely sin, or if I cannot get into purely cos, then I will try whether I can get into purely tan. In this case it is true. Therefore, if So if I want to get into tan, then I am supposed to divide by cos square theta. So if cos theta is equal to 0, suppose, then do we get this equation satisfied? Suppose cos theta is 0, then this is 0, this is 0, and if cos theta is 0, sin theta is definitely not equal to 0. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 0. If cos theta is equal to 0, then theta does not satisfy. Given equation. Hence, cos theta is not equal to 0. And now when I say cos theta is not equal to 0, I get permission of dividing the entire equation by cos square theta. Therefore, dividing by cos square theta, we get 2 minus 3 tan theta plus tan square theta is equal to 0. This is very important step, dividing by cos square and ensuring that cos square theta is not a solution. Cos square theta is equal to 0 is not the solution. So now this is, now from here onwards it is quadratic equation theory. Therefore tan theta is equal to minus b, that is 3 plus minus under root 9 minus 8 upon 2. No? So 3 plus 1, that is 3 plus minus 1 upon 2. Hence tan theta is equal to 1 or tan theta is equal to 2. Now we have reached this stage. Tan theta is equal to 1, we will have some solution set. Tan theta is equal to 2, we will have some other solution set. Both the solution set put together is required solution set for this equation. Understood? So why we have done those 3 cases? Because after solving trigonometric equation, we will arrive at those 3 cases. And then standard solution set should be known to us, which we will write and complete. Okay? So union of solution sets for tan theta is equal to 1 and tan theta is equal to 2 is the complete correct final answer. Tan theta is equal to 1, theta naught is 45, pi by 4, we can write. Tan theta is equal to 2, we don't know what theta is. So we can consider, let tan theta naught is equal to 2 and therefore general solution will be n pi plus theta naught. Have you understood? So what all care we have taken? We are not, as far as possible, we will not square. Okay, let me give you a simple one now, so that all of you can solve it.
Even if we don't divide it by cos square theta, we get this.
Even if you don't divide it by cos square theta, still you will be able to get it by some other manipulations. Correct. This answer, final answer should be the same. Your method is also correct, but it gives us some extra roots.
They will satisfy.
These ones will satisfy, some other extra ones will not satisfy. है ना?
सर आपण त्या ओरिजिनल इक्वेशनला साधं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशनचा काय सॉल्व्ह
करू शकतो, पण आता इथे साइन थिटा आणि कॉस थिटा हे दोन वेगवेगळे व्हेरिएबल्स झाले ना. कसं?
हो, येतं डायरेक्ट.
डायरेक्टली पण येतं ना, मग चालेल ना, नो इश्यू. Sin theta is equal to cos theta, that means tan theta is equal to 1. Correct. So that is what I mean. Perfect, no problem. Finally you got the same thing. Sin theta is equal to cos theta and 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta. If you don't get into tan theta, still you can solve. Correct? Yes. X and Y मधले तुम्ही जशी solve करायचं तसं. That is what I said. There are more than one methods of solving trigonometric equation. Finally, your all algebraic calculations should be correct and final answer should be correct. No fixed method. Find all values of theta. Such that 6 sin square theta plus cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0. Pause. Okay, so have you solved this example? Got into cos square theta here. We need to have one variable. Therefore, sin square theta is to be replaced by 1 minus cos square theta plus cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0, which gives us minus 6 cos square theta plus cos theta. This is plus 6 minus 5 is 1 is equal to 0. Changing signs. 6 cos square theta minus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in cos theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to plus 1 plus minus under root 1 plus 24 divided by 12, which is equal to 1 plus minus 5 upon 12. Therefore, cos theta is equal to half or minus 1 by 3. And therefore, solution set for cos theta is equal to half is wait. So, union solution set, let cos theta naught is equal to minus 1/3, and therefore solution set for this is काय होता है n pi 2n pi plus minus theta naught where n belongs to z. So this solution set union another. तुम्हाला आता कसे असतात मल्टिपल चॉईस करेक्ट म्हणजे एकाच प्रश्नाचे अनेक उत्तर बरोबर असतात खाली ABCD. So in that case you may get answer. I mean this is also a solution set, option B, other one option A. So that is also a solution set which is correct, sort of. So you need to be alert in finding out those. So let us solve one more example, third example. No, you write down cos theta naught is equal to minus 1/3. Therefore, solution is theta naught, not minus 1/3.
And then for 1 by 2 similar.
For 1 by 2, you write down solution set is equal to 2 pi n plus minus pi by 6. Pi by 3, cos है ना, हाँ, pi by 3. There you write down actual angle because we know that value. Here we don't know that value, therefore we are writing theta naught.
And then
Union of both, yes. Next problem. 2 sin raised to 4 theta, 2 sin raised to 4 theta plus 2 cos raised to 4 theta minus 7 sin theta cos theta. चला करा सॉल्व. In solving trigonometric equations, the first adjustment that is required to be done is most important. Once you get it into a quadratic form, then theory is absolutely simple. But the most trickiest thing in solving trigonometric equation is in what should I convert it into so that I can solve it using theory of quadratic equations. So by experience, as you solve many problems, you will get it. Here what should be done? You should get into sin theta cos theta business. Okay, so sin theta cos theta is going to be our variable, and therefore can we convert this? So this is 2 common inside bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta whole bracket square. Suppose we write, then we get sin 4 theta, 2 sin 4 theta, 2 cos 4 theta we got, and we additionally got 2 sin square theta cos square theta into 2, that is 4 sin square theta cos square theta we unnecessarily created, which we need to subtract. Right? And now fortunately this bracket is a constant 1 square is 1, therefore this is 2, and therefore our quadratic equation in terms of sin theta cos theta comes out to be equal to 4 sin square theta cos square theta plus 7 sin theta cos theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Have you understood this step? Yes. Plus 2 minus केले सगळे minus केले बरोबर. And therefore my variable is sin theta cos theta. So solving it for sin theta cos theta, minus 7 plus minus under root 49 minus plus 32 upon 8. 81 है ना तो, त्यामुळे -7 plus minus 9 upon 8. Therefore sin theta. So let me pull 2 from here to LHS. Therefore 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to this, right? And therefore I can say sin 2 theta is equal to 3 plus 9 घेतलं तर half or minus 9 घेतलं तर 16, 4 ना, minus 4. So sin 2 theta is equal to minus 4, no solution. We need not have to worry about it. And now we should solve sin 2 theta is equal to half. So we need to be careful. Whenever you are squaring, you need to be careful. Whenever you are handling double angle, you need to be careful. So now sin 2 theta is equal to half. So in mind also you can do it, but because we are doing it for the first time, I will tell you, let 2 theta is equal to t. Therefore sin t is equal to half. Now this is in our standard format, of which solution set is known to us, and hence solution set for t is, what is solution set for this equation? Solution set is equal to minus 1 raised to n theta naught. Now we know pi by 6. Solution set for t, solution set for t is equal to plus n pi, where n belongs to. So this is our general solution set for t. So solution set for 2 theta is equal to this, minus 1 raised to n pi by 6 plus n pi by for n belonging to z. Correct? And we are not supposed to report solution set of 2 theta, we are supposed to report solution set of theta. Therefore solution set for theta is equal to, divide everything by 2, minus 1 raised to n pi by 12 plus n pi by 2, where n belongs to 0. This is complete correct answer. It should not be. It should not be n pi by 2. Why? If we directly take theta as 15.
So then we get minus 1 power n theta naught plus n pi.
For what value of n you are taking 15 degree? N is equal to 0. येते नव्हतं. टेबलवर ठेव. येतं ना उत्तर. थिटा नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0ला, n इज इक्वल टू 0ला 15 येतं उत्तर. अरे बघा हे कम्प्लीट करेक्ट आहे का. त्याचं म्हणणं आहे की n पायला 2 ने डिवाइड नाही करायचं का करायचं. इथं करायचं की नाही करायचं. करायलाच पाहिजे, नाही तर चुकणार. नाही तर काही काही व्हॅल्यू येणार नाहीत. येणार ज्या व्हॅल्यू येणार त्या बरोबर असतील, पण काही काही व्हॅल्यू येणार नाहीत, कारण तो 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 हाफ आहे. 2 theta is equal to half. Shall I give you one more? Okay. Find all values of theta satisfying. Sin 7 theta is equal to sin theta plus sin 3 theta, where 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to pi. Now this is not find all values of theta belonging to R. They are saying find all values of theta, but between 0 to pi, not all. So maybe we can list also. If there are finitely many and that number is small, we can list. But the most tricky part is how do we get into a quadratic equation or equation which we can solve.